In the natural world, migrations are among the most awe-inspiring feats, showcasing animals' endurance, navigational skills, and survival instincts. The Arctic tern, for example, undertakes the longest migration of any animal, traveling up to 44,000 miles annually between polar regions. The wildebeest of Africa engage in a perilous journey across the Serengeti in search of fresh grazing lands, braving predators and treacherous rivers. Marine animals are no less remarkable. The humpback whale embarks on journeys spanning thousands of miles, moving from feeding grounds in polar waters to warm tropical seas for calving. Similarly, the leatherback sea turtle navigates vast oceans, often crossing entire continents to return to the beaches where they were born. Insect migrations, though less visible, are equally astonishing. The monarch butterfly travels over 3,000 miles from North America to the forests of central Mexico, relying on internal navigation systems to guide them to destinations they've never seen. Even the tiny bogong moth in Australia demonstrates incredible precision, flying thousands of miles to reach specific caves for shelter during summer. Fish, too, are masters of migration. The salmon undertakes an extraordinary journey, leaping upstream against powerful currents to reach the rivers where they spawn. These migrations not only sustain their populations but also enrich ecosystems, providing nutrients to the surrounding environment. These incredible migrations highlight the resilience of life, and the interconnectedness of ecosystems. They demonstrate how species adapt to seasonal changes, resource availability, and environmental challenges. Yet, as climate change and habitat destruction disrupt these ancient patterns, the survival of migratory species hangs in the balance. By protecting migration routes and addressing environmental threats, we ensure these breathtaking journeys continue. They are not only vital to ecosystems but also serve as a profound reminder of nature's ability to endure and adapt in an ever-changing world. Each migration is a story of determination, ingenuity, and survival that inspires wonder and respect. The marvel of animal migrations lies not only in their sheer distance but also in the precision with which these creatures navigate. Many rely on celestial cues, Earth's magnetic fields, or even environmental memory to guide their paths. For example, the Arctic caribou travel hundreds of miles across tundras and forests, using seasonal knowledge and instinct to find food and calving grounds. Such journeys ensure their survival but also shape the lives of predators and scavengers in their ecosystems. Birds like the bar-tailed godwit are equally astonishing, flying non-stop for thousands of miles without rest, food, or water. Their endurance challenges our understanding of physiology, prompting scientists to study their metabolism and energy storage for insights into human health. The swallow, another migratory bird, crosses continents with unerring accuracy, navigating through diverse terrains and climates to return to its nesting grounds. Ocean currents serve as highways for marine species. The great white shark follows temperature changes and food availability across vast oceans, often traveling thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds. Similarly, the European eel undertakes a mysterious journey from freshwater rivers to the Sargasso Sea to reproduce, a migration that has puzzled scientists for centuries. These epic migrations also underscore the importance of connectivity in nature. They link distant ecosystems, transporting nutrients, seeds, and even influencing weather patterns. For example, salmon migrations bring marine nutrients into freshwater ecosystems, enriching riverbanks and forests. Wildebeest migrations reshape the grasslands of the Serengeti, maintaining its biodiversity. Yet, these incredible journeys face growing threats from habitat loss, climate change, and human-made barriers such as roads and dams. Protecting migratory species requires international cooperation, as their survival depends on the health of multiple habitats across borders. Efforts like wildlife corridors, marine protected areas, and policies to reduce carbon emissions are critical to preserving these ancient patterns. Animal migrations are more than biological phenomena, they are testaments to life's ability to adapt and thrive. They inspire awe, connect ecosystems, and remind us of the fragile balance that sustains our planet. Safeguarding these journeys is a shared responsibility, ensuring future generations can marvel at the wonders of nature's greatest travelers. The preservation of migratory animals is not just an ecological necessity but a cultural and inspirational endeavor. Many migrations have been celebrated in folklore, art, and traditions around the world, emphasizing their deep connection to human lives. The annual return of the monarch butterflies to Mexico, for instance, is not just a natural spectacle but a cultural event, marking celebrations in local communities. For indigenous peoples, migrations like those of the caribou or salmon are deeply woven into traditions, diets, and spiritual practices. Protecting these species and their migratory routes is thus not only about conserving biodiversity but also about respecting the heritage and livelihoods of people who depend on them. On a global scale, migratory animals are ambassadors of interconnectedness. Their journeys demonstrate how ecosystems thousands of miles apart are intricately linked. The decline of a species in one region can ripple across continents, affecting food chains and ecological balance elsewhere. The story of migrations reminds us that no environment exists in isolation. Innovations in technology, such as satellite tracking and genetic studies, are helping scientists uncover the mysteries of migration. These advancements allow researchers to better understand the routes, challenges, and needs of migratory species, paving the way for more targeted conservation efforts. As climate change alters landscapes and disrupts migration patterns, it is more crucial than ever to act. Rising temperatures, shifting seasons, and habitat destruction force animals to adjust their routes, often with devastating consequences. Collaborative global initiatives, such as treaties under the Convention on Migratory Species, aim to protect these vital travelers by ensuring they have safe passage and sustainable habitats. The remarkable migrations of animals symbolize perseverance and resilience, traits that resonate universally. They are living narratives of survival against incredible odds, offering lessons in adaptability and determination. By preserving these migrations, we honor not only the natural world but also the enduring spirit of life itself. Each journey, though fraught with challenges, reaffirms the profound beauty and complexity of our shared planet. The continued survival of migratory species depends on our collective commitment to fostering coexistence between human activity and wildlife. Efforts to mitigate the impact of urbanization, deforestation, and pollution are vital to preserving migration routes. For instance, wildlife corridors, which reconnect fragmented habitats, provide safe passage for terrestrial migrators like the caribou and African elephant, ensuring they can continue their essential journeys without encountering human-made barriers. For aquatic species, addressing threats such as overfishing and plastic pollution is critical. Projects like dam removals and the construction of fish ladders have restored spawning routes for species like salmon, breathing life back into disrupted ecosystems. Similarly, marine protected areas offer safe havens for ocean giants, such as sea turtles and whales, safeguarding critical feeding and breeding grounds. Education and public engagement also play a crucial role. Raising awareness about the importance of migratory animals fosters a sense of stewardship and encourages community-driven conservation initiatives. Citizen science programs, where volunteers track bird migrations or monitor sea turtle nests, not only contribute valuable data but also strengthen the human connection to these awe-inspiring phenomena. Migrations are a powerful reminder of nature's resilience and interconnectedness, but they also signal the fragility of the world's ecosystems. Every successful journey undertaken by a migratory species reflects the health of the planet, as well as the intricate balance required for life to thrive. These animals serve as both symbols of hope and as indicators of environmental change. By safeguarding migratory species and their habitats, we ensure that the wonders of their journeys endure for generations to come. Their perseverance inspires us to rise to the challenge of conservation, while their success stories remind us of what is possible when humanity works in harmony with nature. The survival of migratory animals is not just a natural triumph, it is a shared legacy worth protecting. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.